Do you need to find the perfect drone before you go all in on a purchase? It can be downright overwhelming to sort through endless information, trying to find the best drone to suit your needs and your budget. If you want the best quality and value for the money, you are in the right place. We considered overall value, quality, and features. And now we present a list of the top 5 drones on the market. Number 5. Parrot Drone Anafi Extended. What makes this drone great is that it has 4K recording capability, a powerful swiveling platform, as well as a set of additional propellers and blades. It's one of the most compact units that you can find on the market. It's also foldable, which makes it a pleasure to use and store whenever you want. The flight time is around 25 minutes, which is solid for any kind of drone. It also has a pretty impressive controller. The 21-megapixel camera brings some extraordinary benefits as well. In the package, you can also find an Anafi extension to give you an extra boost. Overall, this is a great product and one that you will enjoy using again and again. Number 4. DJI Phantom 4 Pro Drone Quadcopter Bundle Kit. This is a great drone with some really nifty features. The 20-megapixel camera combined with the 30 minutes of flight time makes it one of the better options on the market. It's great for beginners and advanced pilots alike. This package also has a ton of extras. You have replacement blades as well as a micro SD card, numerous lenses, a case, battery charger, and so on. Basically, anything you might expect is already in this package, so it's a good idea to purchase this if you also want accessories. It's a stellar purchase for the money, and you will be more than happy with the way it works and the value you receive here. Number 3. Autel Robotics Evo Foldable Drone Camera. Purchasing the Evo is a great idea if you want a beautiful, easy-to-use camera. They did a very good job here as the camera is very easy to control and it also has 4K capabilities. On top of that, you also have 7-kilometer transmission distance and 30 minutes of flight time. When you factor in the SD card support and in-depth app features, you will be quite amazed with the unit as a whole. The controls are very simple and adaptable to your own requirements. Not to mention, it is also foldable and easy to transport. It's also bundled with an assortment of accessories that increase this package's value. Number 2. Yuneec Typhoon H Pro with Intel RealSense technology. The Yuneec Typhoon H Pro is one of the best drones out there. Aside from having crystal clear 4K recording capabilities, it also looks great and it integrates collision avoidance features. The fact that it can sense any objects mid-air is amazing, and it goes to show the tremendous value you get for the money. It has 8 smart flight modes and up to 25 minutes of flight time. Plus, its ground station features a 7-inch touchscreen which makes using the app and features more enjoyable. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom Drone Quadcopter with Fly More Kit. This DJI is one of those drones that is just easy to use, with great controls and portability. This particular package includes the unit, extra propellers and controllers, as well as a car charger, battery packs, and everything you need in order to enjoy your experience. The sensor is very good. You even have 2x optical zoom and the ability to take 48-megapixel super resolution photos. The drone covers around 31 minutes of flight time, and you will also have a 3-axis gimbal for steady shots. All in all, this is a very attractive and easy-to-use package. These are the best drones that you can buy today. If you are passionate about getting a new drone and exploring the world or shooting high-quality photos or videos, then you can't go wrong with any of the choices on this list. No matter your decision, we're confident that you'll be very impressed and happy with the features that they deliver. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of these models.